Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Atlas Cross Sport. The Volkswagen Atlas Cross Sport screams luxury. With its eloquent exterior body lines and its plethora of interior features, this is surely a vehicle you'll want to take a look at. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, remote trunk release, LED headlights. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.